Welcome to 227 Paseo, Animado. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home situated in the Spanish Walk community. Just under 2,000 square foot. It does have open concept living. The community pool is directly across the street for easy access. You do have a back patio, has stamped concrete. You have some space on the left side, as well as directly out the sliders. To the right, you have a 2-car garage. Downstairs is one of the bedrooms and one of the bathrooms. This is guest bathroom. It does have censored lights. And then this is the guest bedroom. And then heading upstairs, we have a loft flex room. It's currently set up as a workout room, but I've also seen it set up as a secondary living room, a playroom. So this is the flex room. We're now heading to the primary. You have a very spacious walk-in closet, oversized bedroom, a little niche there. And then the bathroom is oversized as well. You have a huge walk-in shower, separate wet room, dual sinks. And then heading to the other side of the home, we have 2 more bedrooms and a guest bathroom. And I do have the 1 bedroom set up as an office. You also have the laundry room upstairs as well. So you've got dedicated room for laundry. Decent size bedroom, nice size office, very spacious for an office. And then the guest bathroom with tub shower combo. And then this bedroom also has a partial walk-in closet. Take a quick peek. That concludes the tour.